In today's fast-paced world, cooking efficiency and convenience are top priorities for home chefs. Induction cooktops have become increasingly popular for their advanced technology that offers rapid heating, precise temperature control, and energy savings. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best induction cooktop you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Samsung NZ6900TM, a true masterpiece in modern kitchen technology. This cooktop isn't just a piece of kitchen equipment, it's a culinary dream brought to life. The Samsung NZ6900TM is like a symphony conductor for your recipes, offering precision and control that will make your heart sing. Its sleek, minimalist design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, turning cooking into an art form. But this isn't just about aesthetics, it's about performance. The NZ6900TM boasts cutting-edge technology with its induction cooking, offering swift and efficient heat distribution. It's a joy to work with, whether you're searing at high temperatures or simmering gently, and it even features a safety system that gives you peace of mind. For anyone who truly loves cooking, the Samsung NZ6900TM is more than an appliance. It's a partner in the culinary journey. It transforms meals into masterpieces. With a price tag of $1,660, it's not just an investment in your kitchen. It's an investment in your passion for cooking. Experience the culinary world like never before with Miele Induction Cooktops. These cutting-edge appliances are not just kitchen tools, they are your culinary companions, bringing emotion and precision to every meal. Miele Induction Cooktops are a revelation, offering the perfect blend of innovation and elegance. With their sleek, toughened ceramic surface, cleaning is a breeze, leaving you more time to savor your creations. The temp control feature ensures consistently perfect cooking results, eliminating the need for constant adjustments, enhancing convenience, and guaranteeing food won't burn. Miele's intelligent pan detection adapts to your cooking style, making it incredibly versatile. The control elements seamlessly follow your pans, optimizing energy use and ensuring efficiency. Safety is paramount, with a system lock for protection and an automatic shoot-off for unused cooking zones. Priced at $1,999, Miele Induction Cooktops offer a culinary journey filled with emotion, precision, and simplicity. Meet the Gudsunal 30-inch electric cooktop, a kitchen marvel that's not just a practical appliance but a symbol of safety and culinary excellence. With ETL and FCC certifications, Gudsunal ensures your peace of mind by adhering to rigorous safety standards, offering a generous 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service. The cooktop boasts a range of features to elevate your cooking experience. The sink elements and dual-ring burners deliver immense power, accommodating various pot sizes for all your cooking needs. The Keep Warm function maintains your dishes at the perfect temperature until you're ready to savor them. Precision cooking is made easy with 1 to 9 heat level settings and a timer function, eliminating the fear of over or undercooking your meals. Safety is paramount with auto shutdown and a hot surface indicator, preventing accidents and burns. Plus, the control lock guarantees child protection, and the easy-to-clean glass stovetop simplifies maintenance. All these remarkable features come at an incredible price of just $349. Introducing the Samsung Chef Collection Induction Cooktop, a masterpiece of culinary innovation and contemporary design. Samsung Chef Collection acknowledges that everyone is a chef in their own right, and this induction cooktop empowers you to embrace your inner culinary artist. With virtual flame technology, it beautifully mimics the visual allure of gas cooking while delivering the precision of induction technology. As you turn up the heat, you'll see the virtual flames dance beneath your cookware, creating a mesmerizing cooking experience. The Flex Zone adapts effortlessly to the size and shape of your pots and pans, providing ultimate flexibility in your culinary endeavors. With Bluetooth connectivity and Wi-Fi capability, You can effortlessly control and monitor your cooktop from your smart device, making your cooking experience smarter and more efficient. The Samsung Chef Collection Induction Cooktop is not just a kitchen appliance, it's an expression of your culinary passion. It's where innovation meets artistry and where the joy of cooking knows no bounds. Priced at $2,190. Say hello to the Empava 36-inch Induction Cooktop, a culinary masterpiece designed and engineered in the heart of the USA. This kitchen marvel comes with a 2-year US-based manufacturer warranty, offering you peace of mind and culinary freedom. The Empava cooktop boasts a flawless vitro ceramic glass surface, making cleanup effortless and leaving no ecological footprint. It can withstand intense heat without cracking, offering durability that's a class apart. This beauty is compatible with most stainless steel and cast iron cookware, making it an essential addition to your kitchen. With 9 heat level settings, you can go from a gentle simmer to a rapid boil with a simple touch. It even boils water 50% faster than traditional cooktops. The price is $467. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.